Paris, a city that needs no introduction. Known as the City of Light, Paris is a beautiful blend of history, culture, gastronomy, and elegance that has captured hearts for centuries. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, Paris promises an unforgettable experience. Let's explore this magnificent city from every angle. Its iconic landmarks, historical depths, mouthwatering cuisine, and the soul of its local culture. Paris wears its history with pride. Its roots date back to over 2,000 years ago when it was a Roman settlement called Lutetia. Today, every cobblestone, monument, and corner cafe tells a story. Notre Dame Cathedral. Though damaged by fire in 2019, it's a powerful symbol of Gothic architecture and spiritual heritage. Palace of Versailles. A short trip outside Paris, this UNESCO site tells tales of French royalty and revolution. The Louvre Museum. Once a royal palace, now the world's largest art museum, housing the Mona Lisa and thousands more. From the French Revolution to the Enlightenment, Paris has been at the center of world-changing ideas. No visit to Paris is complete without seeing these world-famous sights. Eiffel Tower, the universal symbol of France. By day or night, its iron beauty charms every viewer. Arc de Triomphe, honoring those who fought for France, it's a powerful place to understand national pride. Champs-Élysées, a glamorous avenue lined with boutiques, cafes, and culture. Montmartre and Sacré-Cœur, artists, bohemians, and dreamers have called this hill home. The view from the top is breathtaking. Paris is a food lover's paradise. Its culinary scene combines tradition with innovation. Local classics, try croissants from a neighborhood boulangerie, escargots, snails, duck confit, or a warm bowl of French onion soup. Sweet treats. Don't miss out on macarons. Ladurée is famous, crème brûlée, and pain au chocolat. Wine and cheese. Explore French cheeses like Brie and Camembert with a glass of Bordeaux or Champagne. Global fusion, Paris is also multicultural. You'll find authentic North African tagines, Vietnamese PRO, and even fusion Michelin-starred restaurants. Don't forget to enjoy your meals the Parisian way, slowly, socially, and with appreciation. The soul of Paris lies not just in its monuments, but in its people and rhythm. Cafe culture, sit at a sidewalk cafe, sip espresso, and people watch. This is Paris at its most authentic. Art and fashion, from small galleries in Le Marais to haute couture in Saint-Germain, Paris is a living canvas. Literary charm, Shakespeare and Company Bookstore is a dream for readers. Many writers like Hemingway and Fitzgerald once walked these same streets. Parks and gardens, locals unwind in Jardin du Luxembourg or Bois de Boulogne, reflecting the Parisian balance of beauty and leisure. Paris is a global city, hosting people from all over the world, yet deeply proud of its roots. International events, Paris Fashion Week, Roland Garros, and the upcoming Olympic Games showcase global talent. Multicultural neighborhoods, explore the African vibrancy of Chateau Rouge, the Asian flair in the 13th arrondissement, and the Arab-French communities in Belleville. There's a reason why artists paint it, lovers dream of it, and travelers keep coming back. Paris is not just a city, it's a mood, romantic,